Others have made it either too complex or too subtle, but here I'm gonna show you the easiest way to draw your favorite lily flowers. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my creative sketchbook. Get ready to draw this lily flower with me today. What you need is blenders of all three sizes, pencil sharpener, eraser, drawing paper, ruler, cutter, 2B, 2H, 6B, and 8B pencils. The best technique I have learned about shading is moving the pencil in a curved direction. Same goes with how I use the blenders. When I move the pencil in a curved way, it doesn't have any additional or unnecessary lines left it, and it makes it easy for me to blend. At the same time, when I use the blenders, it doesn't provide any unpleasant lines, and it is blended in a way that it actually rests so well on the paper. As shading is the most fundamental part of this lily drawing, please take your time to do this part as carefully as you can. I first started blending it with a 0 pencil with 2H, and then I did it with the 2B, and then I made it darker with 8B pencil. As blending is the most important and fundamental parts of drawing this lily, you need to take your time doing it very patiently. And also do this in a curved movement, just as you did the shading with pencils. Everybody, thanks a ton for watching till the end of this video. I hope that you enjoy watching this video and learned a lot of things from it. Let me know in the comments below what other flower I should draw next. Try this lily drawing and tag me in the comments my creative sketchbook so that I will also find out your lily drawings too. So please tag me in the social media, my creative sketchbook, Instagram, YouTube, so that I would see your drawings as well. Later, I also drew this beautiful flower on my journal too because I really like it, so you can also do it. Again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.